Here we go. 4 more packs. Back to it. 4 more with me, the champ. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am the Phoenix. I haven't said that in a minute. And I run the channel. I own the channel. Phenomenal by choice, because I decided I would be phenomenal. I am your Pokemon World Champion, and I am your YouTube Shorts Champion. And today, what's up, Sleeping Snorlax, Double S, my boy? Today, chilling fusion, that's not fusion, battle styles. That feels heavy. Sword and shield, and I am just all over the place. Sword and shield, and evolving skies. Recording. Chilling rain. Let's go! Wow. Pack trash. Go kart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we Energy. Drizzile. Dying Tree Hill. One Tree Hill. Justifying Gloves. Cast Form. Rainy Form. La Vesta. Sabo. Ladian. Squovit. Snowvert for the reverse and for the finale. I will unify with the greatest herald in multiverse history. The one, the only, the Duck 7. Woo! Blaziken VMAX. And that gets the Thai seal of approval. Tough sleeve. And I'm sealing on the recommendation of my boy, my friend, my brother. Corvxnite. If it's not triple sleeve, it's not protected. Another hit to the pile. VMAX. Full art. Build. Battle styles. Let's go. Wow. Go kart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. What was that? Caracol? Doppler. Pignite. Honage. Gligar. Electabuzz. Bellsprout. Bronzong. XP share. Woo! 2 of 2. Whenever I go on a roll, I love it. What in the G.I. Joe is going on here? I said it because I pulled something. Here we go. Sword and shield. Let us get. Pack trash. Go kart. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Here we go. What in the G.I. Joe? Huh? That was a Battle Styles, right? Was that a Battle Styles? I thought that was a Battle Styles. Huh. No. That wasn't Battle Styles. That was a Sword and Shield. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11. Oh, it's 11 cards, right? Yeah, 10 additional game cards, 11 in here. Too bad they didn't put 2. I'm joking. Oh, that's great. That's amazing. I'm 3 of 3. Ooh. Tough sleeve. I'm running out of tough sleeves, and I'm sad about it. There we go. Another full art. I'm on fire. Evolving skies. Pack trash. Go card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Here we go. Shelgon. Swobats, Lombre, Hoppit, Dino, Mareep, La, Bavet. Love this. Shift Tree, Savin, last pack. I'm already 3 of 3. Can we make it 4 of 4? 3 of 4. That's fine. I got some bangers today. Blaziken V, Max, Empoleon V, and a Demise, Full Art. And you've reached the end of my pet breaking endeavor. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am your Pokemon World Champion. And I will see you again tomorrow for more, where I will give you 4 more. Valley, send them home happy.